you gonna leave or no?
Say again?
Are you gonna leave or no?
Yo, dude, back up, man.
All right, let's go.
Why are you pressing up against me, man? Why are you pressing up against me? Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
All right, guys, welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. A long time ago, I was told to never ask you guys to subscribe. Instead, give you guys a good reason to subscribe. So here's that reason. I get a lot of brand new channels that are being sent to my email, so I get a lot of new videos that you'll see here before anywhere else. We also get a lot of exclusive videos, and we just received one right now that we're working on. But right now, this is a brand new channel. He uploaded this video to this channel because he didn't have another way to send it to me. So that's a good way for you guys to get your videos out. Copy your links, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. With that being said, check out how these New York cops act. For some reason, the New York police departments think you can't record inside the police stations, but they do have pamphlets inside there for the public. So check out this video. We'll drop some information for you guys. We'll also drop the original channel link. Without further ado, let's get right to the video.
Hi, may I
Hi.
help you?
No, I'm good.
What are you doing? Are you filming?
I'm just recording.
Let me tell you something.
This is
You
a
are not-
first. This is
No,
a
no, no,
First
no, 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 no,
Amendment
no, 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 no,
protected
no.
activity.
You're not allowed to film in a police facility. It's against the law.
No, that is
so
incorrect.
I'm telling you right now.
There is a sign over there that says beyond this point.
I'm telling
Beyond this point. Read the sign. Beyond this point, I am not in the facility. I am out here.
You are
This is
recording
public
inside
easement.
a police facility.
This is
and I'm
public
going to
easement.
warn you right now. If you continue to, you will be placed under arrest.
Quit the loudness.
No.
And
I'm
talk-
using my authority, my
Oh,
voice.
your authority. Is that a lawful order?
Yes.
Is that a lawful order?
So you're being recorded.
Okay, that's cool.
I'm telling you right now, if you continue to record in a police facility, which is illegal, you will be placed under arrest. That's a fair warning.
You wanna bet that?
Go down the stairs.
You wanna bet that?
Go down the stairs.
You wanna bet that?
Go down the stairs.
Is that a lawful order?
It is a lawful order.
Is it?
It is a lawful order. I'm not going back. It's a lawful order. Go down the stairs. I'm giving you a warning.
And what's gonna happen if I don't go downstairs?
You will be placed under arrest.
Oh, okay. Is that a lawful order?
You're right, and be willing to take the arrest. That's a different type of person. If you're going to go somewhere and you're going to go in a building, don't just go running out of the building because they told you to, or they told you couldn't be there, or you're afraid of the handcuffs without even trying, because you make it dangerous for us. The other people like me in San Joaquin and South Carolina and Big Nick and Rice Krispie and you know, so many other people, right? There's more people than I can name. DMA ain't no punk.
How many police precincts are in New York, folks? 77. That means the channels that have been out there in New York recording for a long time, what are they really doing out there? Seems to me like they're only making things worse. Big up to these newer channels who are having the courage to actually go inside the police stations to create change for the better, not for the worse. Keep watching, folks.
Conversation is done.
Oh, is it? Is that a lawful order?
I need
Are you gonna leave or no?
Say again?
Are you gonna leave or no?
Yo, dude, back up, man.
All right, let's go.
Why are you pressing up against me, man? Why are you pressing up against me?
Bro,
Don't
I'm
touch
telling
me.
you- I'm
Don't
telling you
touch
to
me.
leave.
Don't touch me.
You can't tell me
Don't
to
touch
leave.
me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, homie. Don't touch me.
Leaving the station.
Back up off me.
Leaving
Back
the
up
station.
off me. Back up. Stop touching me, man. Stop touching me. What's good with you? Don't touch me. Get your fucking hands off me. Get your fucking hands off me.
You're leaving the station.
Nah.
You're leaving
I'm
the
leaving the
station.
station.
You're leaving the
This is a
station.
public area. This is a public area.
Leaving the station.
Y'all can't do this.
Boss man, listen, I'm explaining this to you. We will listen. Actually, can I have your ID and I'm gonna do a transit?
Nah, you can't have my ID.
Yeah, actually, yes, I can.
No,
so
you
do me a
can't.
favor, just give me your ID.
Nah.
If you don't give me your ID,
think so.
you listen. If you don't give me it, you will be
Do
placed
what
under
you
arrest.
gotta do.
All right,
Do
no
what
problem.
you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Arrest me. Arrest me, motherfucker. Arrest me. No.
I didn't even curse at you, so relax.
I don't
Relax
care.
yourself.
I don't care.
Relax yourself.
Y'all
Act like a
pressing up
child.
against me. Y'all
Act
touch
like
me.
a
What's
child.
good with y'all?
Act like a child,
I'm acting
bro.
like a child.
Act like a
Tell that
child.
motherfucker not to put his hands on me.
Come
Say
back
again?
in, it's a misdemeanor. Come back in, it's a misdemeanor.
Come back and it's a misdemeanor. Is that a lawful order?
Yes, it is, and it's a warning.
Yeah? Yeah, is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I don't think so. Fuck out of here. Y'all gonna hit me. Yeah, try it. Try it. Yeah, we'll try going to court too.
Try it.
We'll try going to court too.
Come on, try
Pussy.
it.
Fuck up.
Come on, try it.
Fuck up, pussy. Go back inside. Do your job.
Come on.
Do your job.
I'm doing my
Do your
job.
job. Do your fucking job. Fucking pussy.
We need to see a lot more channels out of New York going into the police departments and recording. I don't really like to throw shade on anyone, but there comes a point in time that we really need to do this for change, not just for the views. And I really dislike when some of these channels, all they try to do is appease to the bootlicker community. We've seen Audit the Audit do that when he gives cops who violate people's rights an A+. Sorry to say it, but it's true. And we've seen several other channels do that as well. Now, I'm not saying go in there and drop F-bombs just because for the hell of it. What I'm saying is go in there and challenge them. Make them threaten you with the rest. I mean, there's a channel out there named Eli who's been arrested and he's even been convicted. Where's that big channel that's out there in New York? Why hasn't he gone out to defend that and protect the guy and help him out? Does it really take the smaller channels? Well, that's why I'm a big advocate to help the smaller channels grow, folks. We need to see people out there with cojones. And that is exactly what I see in this new channel right here, Master Yi. As you guys can see, he got pushed out of that police department. And why did that happen, folks? Because the bigger channel that's been out there hasn't been doing it right. How many times have I gone into a police station and they told me that I couldn't be there and I stand my ground? Many, many times. And we got boss channels like Bay Area Transparency who doesn't leave. He's been arrested so many times and handcuffed and detained. I do want to point out that in the courthouses, these judges have extended this judge's order from recording not just in the courtrooms, but they've extended that to the courthouses as well. I got my arm twisted in the jury building because I wouldn't leave. I've been up and down California as well, recording in these police departments, challenging their bullshit policies. This is what we need to see, folks. Let's band together. Let's help each other. Let's stop pussyfooting around. And please go subscribe to this guy's channel, Master Yi. I want to see this guy's channel grow. There's another channel out there called Brooklyn Audit. I really like this guy's work. I hope I get to see these two guys link up soon. There's another channel called Constitution State who's taken a couple arrests as well recently. I just spoke to him yesterday on the phone and he's willing to go out there again and again, folks, challenging them on this. So let's go support these New York channels out there that are actually willing to support each other, not just themselves. Let's send them all the love and support. Let's guide them in the right direction, folks. Thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.